Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel NIBBLE. So today on this channel you would be learning about a very important concept of Python programming, which is comment. So comment is a very important concept which we should know. So let's study what are comments, what is the use of comment, and what are different types of comment. So let's get started. So consider a scenario where a teacher gives you and your class of around 50 students a program to solve. So you all solve your program and submit your respective program to your teacher. Now, it won't be easy and feasible for a teacher to correct each and every line of each and every code provided by each and every student. So, if we had written one or two statements explaining a code and a logic behind that code, it would have made your teacher's task easier to correct each and every student's program. So, that one or two lines which we had written would be the comments. So the comments are ignored by the compiler. So compiler won't compile or run or interpret the comments, and those comments will only be human readable. So the use of comments is that whenever you give your code to someone else to read or you read, it will make your task easier because you know what logic you had used while writing this program. So let's see the different types of comments which Python provides us. So there are two types of comments. One is single line comment and another is multi-line comment. So single line comment is only one line comment. The syntax for single line comment is a hashtag. So all the characters after the hashtag will be considered as comment by the compiler. Now for the multi-line comment, which means that more than one line of the code can be commented. So for writing multi-line comment, you have to include three single quotes before the start of the comment and at the end of the comment. So as you can see that I have written single quotes at the start of the comment and at the end of the comment too. And over the single line of comment, I have written a hashtag. So I hope that you guys understood the concept. I have also provided you with a simple task. So over here, whatever codes we have written till now, just add the necessary comments over there. So I hope you liked the video and understood the concept. So guys, please like the videos, share the videos and the channel with your friends, and please guys subscribe to channel and ask your friends also to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.